Only there are 5 students right now joined. All of you on the camera: Vivek, Priyanshu, Nihar,
Yes, sir.
Mohit,
Just 1 minute.
Nishant. So now FITGI questions are like IM only, no? Nihar. Few questions like maths will
Sir,
be
your
like
voice is very low,
But I
sir.
guess it's more tougher, sir.
FITGI questions are more tougher.
Yes, sir, especially that physics part.
Physics
Sir, your
part.
voice is very low.
Voice is very low. Let me check. No, it's 100%.
Sir, it's fine for me, sir.
Acha. Any other is so again having any issue, voice issue? Priyanshu, except you. Vivek, can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Priyanshu, I think your network is low all the time. You are not able to hear, something is problem with you, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So tell me, Nihar, could we go with today with only with IMO only, or how is it? Or few different questions, different chapters, like
Sir, you don't have the FITZY questions right now, right?
no, right now actually someone told me to send all those questions, but
Sir,
till now
polynomials, sir.
what, Priyanshu?
Sir, polynomials.
Yeah, wait, Mr. But that I still have not received those actually sums. That's why I'm not having those questions right now with me. Otherwise, I'd have started.
Okay, sir. So will you start from next class?
Yeah, next class for sure I'll start off.
Okay, sir.
So right now, any topic you tell so that we can. I am a topic only do. 1 hour time is there. No, you tell me one. We'll just go. When you are having exam, FITZY exam. When you are having
Sir, I don't know, but I guess the last date is 17th. It was written on the group.
17th. Filling the
Sir, I have
form.
a math exam, sir, tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Acha. So 17th, the last to fill the form of FITZY. All right.
No, sir, like last exam is on 17th.
So last exam is on 17th of FITZY.
Yes, sir.
When is going to start?
Sir, my math exam is on tomorrow.
Sir, it's on 17th, so it's going to start a starting date. I don't know, sir, but the last exam is on 17th.
Acha. This is an entrance test for FITZY, right?
Yes, sir.
If you get selected, you will get some scholarship in that, right?
Yes, sir. It's like that only, sir. I'm not sure.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, which chapter you tell me? Nishant, sorry, what is Nishant? You are having any chapter, particular chapter to do? Or any questions today? Either the questions, doubt questions only you just ask, because only quadrilateral part is of second term or first term. Nihar,
No,
quadrilateral
sir, second. Sir,
Sir,
second.
second term.
second term. No, so no need to worry about that. That we can do anytime. And I think we are having pending with only 3 to 4 chapters. No, Nihar.
Yes, sir, like that much only, sir.
Hmm. So tell me which chapter I need to. You're having doubt. Any questions you are having doubt? You can just ask
Sir,
me in
could you
the
give tough questions of number systems?
tough question of number system. 1 minute. Tough questions of number system. 1 minute. Let me check. Mhm. Like few questions are there of IMO only. IMO we have not done completely, no? Completely we have not done, I believe. Correct.
Yes, sir. Sir, the number system we didn't do completely. We left in the middle.
That's why I'm saying. Ninth CBSE, IMO, and number system. Okay, number system 1.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir,
I can. Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me, Priyanshu. Dated 4/10. 21. Okay. So I think we have done how
You're
many
not
questions?
sharing your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing 1 minute. Just I'm showing you how many questions we have done. We have did I think we have done 16 questions we have done in this. From 17th minute start. 17th question we need to start. 1 minute. Sharing the screen now. Can you post the test results? Okay, Sai Charan. I think this time you you have done very well, right? Sai Charan, correct? You have done well.
Yes.
That's why, right? 100% you have done well, right? Sai Charan. How much marks
So
were
this time
getting?
test was easy, sir.
Test was easy, no?
Only 11 questions.
Yeah. Nihar, how much marks you got in 11?
Sir, I didn't attend, sir.
Okay, fine. See question number 17.
Sir, I
children, now.
got full.
Okay. See here, the value x to the power q, you can just equals to what? Just find all of you. What do you get? Answer would be the value of x to the power q divided by x to the power r whole to the power 1 by qr. Sai Charan on the camera every time, you can't be out of the station. Sai
Yes, sir.
Charan. Huh. On your camera. Satvik.
2 minutes.
What would be the answer? Write in the chat box. Someone has messaged me. Answer is, can you post the test results? Acha. What would be the answer for this? What you can see on the screen, children, right now? Nihar, what you can see on the screen right now?
Sir, you have posted a question, sir.
Acha. Here some other link is not there. Other.
No, sir.
Acha, okay. The next, this question is easy. Next question, I'm just putting across here. Next question is, someone answered me. C option, Sai Ritvik. Okay, Sai Ritvik, fine. Sai Ritvik is also there. Yeah. Sai Ritvik, you have solved this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, options is like, x to the power q minus r to the power 1 by qr multiply by
This
x.
option D according to me.
Option B.
D.
Acha, 1 you are saying.
Yes.
R minus p multiply by 1 by rp multiply by x to the power p minus q to the power 1 by pq is equals to what? So we have to do like x to the power q minus r divided by qr multiply x to the power r minus p by rp multiply x to the power p minus q by pq. So your LCM is PQR. X to the power your LCM is what? PQR, correct? Like this only you've taken, no? PQR is the LCM. So here you should multiply with P. The PQ minus P bar will come here. You should multiply with P, RP, then P, QR. Q you should multiply. So QR minus PQ. And again here R you should multiply the PR minus QR, correct?
Yes, sir.
So PQ will get cancelled. PR will get cancelled. Everything. QR is not cancelling, huh?
Yes, sir.
So QR is not cancelling. 1 minute. Plus PR and
Sir,
here
it
is
should cancel, I guess. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Sir, I think it's supposed to be plus QR.
where? Where is plus QR? Q minus R, R minus P, and P minus Q. The P minus Q by PQ, R minus P by 1 minute. What are we getting here? What could be see where we have done mistake? PQ minus PR, and here is Q, right? The QR minus PQ. Acha. Here is QR is in plus, no here. Here is QR is in plus.
Sir, plus QR, sir.
Yeah. So everything will get cancelled. The 8 to the power 0, that is answer is 1. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in a question.
Okay. Ask your doubt.
Sir, the question is in triangles.
Acha, fine. You can. Acha, you are from apart from this other, not this question. You are having doubt in the chapters
Yes, sir, only one question from triangles. I'm having a doubt.
from the textbook.
Yes, sir, R.D. Sharma.
Okay. So can you post on the Wise app so that we
Yes,
can
sir.
do? You can
Okay, sir.
post. I'll see and just do
Okay, sir.
according. Mhm.
Sir,
So
it's
see.
not any calculation, sir, but the answer is given, but I didn't understand the answer. Can I just tell you it's a very short question?
Okay, fine. Tell me if it's taking very less time.
Yes, sir. Prove that the sum of the three altitudes of a triangle are less than the sum of the sides of a triangle.
This will take long time. It's not small. You just put in the chat box. I should put there. Then I should explain. We are going
Okay,
out
sir.
of topic. Yeah. If
Yes,
it's.
sir.
Mhm. So see what we should do. Who can do solve this question? Mohit can do, right? Tell me, Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Sai Ritvik.
Yes, sir. I'm posting it.
So who is going to give the answer first? Let me see the chat box this time.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you, sir, properly.
Priyanshu, what happened to your network? Change your network right now. Change your network. You are having network issues. Priyanshu, you're having network issues. Change your network. Or join once again. Priyanshu, join once again if possible. So Priyanshu has taken, okay, sir. Okay, fine. Hania, what is the answer for this?
I'm still going through it.
Acha, your exams are going on now.
Also, they are from 21st till 4th, and that today they ended.
Okay. Mohit, what is the answer for this? Mohit.
Sir, I'm almost done, so just give me a moment.
Okay, fine. See, children, one big concept I'm teaching you, if inside the root, if anything is mentioned over here, suppose 3 and here 27. So we're writing 27 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. This is a concept to try to remember. If anything is mentioned like this is your concept, how to solve. Suppose here 3 is mentioned, 27 to 27 to the power 1 by 3. If it's given like 27 and here is given 6, it means 27 to the power what? 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Okay. Again, for similarly 6 3 by 4. 6 3 by 4, what we can write? This is root.
27 by 4 whole power 1 by 2.
Whole power 1 by 2. Very good. See, if nothing is mentioned, children, here, this means 2 is over hidden over here. Okay. So 27 to the power 1 by 6 minus 27 by 4 to the power 1 by 2. This is in root. Sorry, this is not in root. This is 1 minute. They should remove this whole square. This one they have given, right? Whole square. So what we can do over here? whole square, how to find whole square? So 27 to the power 1 by 6. What we can write? 3 to the power what? 3 and whole to the power 1 by 6 minus 27 by 4. It means this 27 will be 3 to the power 2. This is not come like that. 27 by 4 to the power 1 by 2. So here this 4 become 2. And this we can write root is nothing but we can write 3 root 2. 3 root 3 divided by 2. Can we write like this? And this 3 2s are 6. So 3 to the power 1 by 2.
Sir, it should be 3 only, no then.
Which one?
Nothing, sir, sorry.
3 to the power 1 by 2 is root 3 and minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. So 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 and you should do whole square. So what do we get? So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So only minus root 3 divided by 2 whole square. The answer is 3 by 2. We are getting the same answer. Anybody of?
Sir, I was getting 15 minus 15 by 4, sir.
So isn't it supposed to be 3 by 4?
Yeah, 3 by 4 correctly. It's not 3 by 2, it's 3 by 4.
Oh, yeah, sir, I had to solve the bracket first. That I didn't do, sir.
Acha, acha, okay. So children, now once again, I'm just discussing the same question. See, what I have done here is, this is the concept what I taught right now. If here is 3 is mentioned, the power we are writing 1 by 3. 27 here 6 is mentioned, so 27 to the power 1 by 6. Mohit, it's clear, no? You have got the answer 3 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here if 2 is mentioned, not mentioned, if only root is given, then power will come 1 by 2. So here answer is, so in these steps you are feeling difficulty, I'm just writing the steps number. If you are having doubt, ask. First step, second step, third step, fourth step. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Any steps if people having doubt in this? Okay, now we move to the next question. So see this question on simplifying 999,813 into this plus 1 divided by this, we get, what do we get? 813,815. So what is the answer for this? 1 4 minus 3 you should do, 1 4 minus 4 you should do once, right? So who can do this question? Just try once. इसको ऑफ कर दीजिए, टीवी को नहीं चल रहा है ना, मैच लगा दीजिए ना, चेन्नई वाला हॉटस्टार. Mohit, you can solve this.
Sir, it's quite hard, sir. I did not understand the logic.
Okay, Nihar,
Sir, I'm
Vivek.
doing it, sir.
Okay, you are doing good. Okay, fine.
Opening Hotstar.
Sound come here, sound. So Sai Ritvik.
Sir, I found the answer, sir.
Okay, what is the
Sir,
answer?
I'm still trying to understand the
The
question.
answer is A, 1.
1. Okay. Shriyanvi, you are getting the answer.
I'm still trying it, sir.
Okay. Which method you are applying? What you are thinking? You are going to multiply this or something else you are doing? Shriyanvi? You are going to multiply this too?
Oh, the answer is 1A.
Acha, okay.
Sir, answer is
What is the first step, children? Tell me what you have done to get
Sir,
1.
you can take it as 999,814 plus 1. Sorry,
Yeah.
minus 1.
See, this is a formula, right? a plus b into a minus b. Like here 1 3 is given, here 1 5 is given. So what we can do here, 999, 814 minus 1 we can do once, and again we can write 999, 814 plus 1 we can write, and here plus 1. It's clear? Divide by 999, 814 whole square. So this is a form of a square minus b square, right? So a square is nothing but 999, 814 a square minus b square plus 1 whole divided by
Sir.
999. Yeah, tell me, Nishant.
Okay, sir.
So children, here if you see, this and this will get cancelled because minus 1 whole square minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled, and this part is nothing but 1. So this is so easy question. Within a second of time we can do this. Correct, Sairitvik? It's clear.
Sir, I understood the logic now.
Shriyanvi, you're doing the same or different?
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll try the next question now. Question number 20th. Okay. So question number 20th is, if root 2 to the power x plus root 3 to the power x, 1 minute. See, just if you're learning any new concept, keep on just doing the same type of questions again and again, so that you'll revise once. Okay, then you'll have no doubts. Same type question will repeat all the time. Next, if root 2 to the power x plus root 3 to the power x is equals to root 13 to the power x by 2, then x is what? What is x? This is quite different question, no? No
Yes,
clue.
sir.
No clue only for this. Correct. Root 2 is coming. We can't think only, right? It's
Sir, but tukka sir I get.
ए तुक्का वुक्का नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पे.
Sir, how can you simplify it to or any other number? Cannot that right?
Yeah, mind only get blocked. What to do in this question? Anyone can tell me what to do? Anyone can guess?
Sir, how about substitute
Sir,
1, 2,
minute,
4
sir.
and 0 with x?
Yeah, that you can, that's fine. That's good. Simply you can put and just check the values whether we can get same thing or not. That's also true. Yeah. See, 0 is not possible if you put value of x. 0 if you put here, 0, 0 and 0. So here what happens? 1 plus 1 is equals to 1. So this is wrong, correct? If you try to put 1 over here, so root 2 plus root 3 is equals to root 13 to the power 1 by 2. So this is not possible. 2 you try to put root 2 square, that is 2. And again 2 if you put 3 is equals to 2 if you put here will come root 13. Correct? So this is also wrong. Correct? And fourth option is root 2 to the power 4 plus root 3 to the power 4 is equals to root 13 to the power 4 by 2 is 2. So this answer is correct. Root 2 to the power 4 is what? 2 2s are 4
Sir, it's 4. 4
and 9,
plus
13.
9, yeah.
So this option is correct. Option 4 is what? Correct option. So this option is correct. So
Okay,
always
sir.
we should not think that we have to find the solution. We can just try from the options also. Okay. So nice. Who told this one? Manoj.
Sir, Mohit.
Acha, Mohit. Huh. So we can try by putting the values of x indirectly in the equation. You'll get the answer. But anything other can, if normally if they ask to solve this, anyone can solve without you know, without seeing the options. That is very difficult, no? Then
Yes, sir. Could you do it? Could you show it by that method also?
yeah, that's also I'm trying.
Sir, can I tell one way?
Yeah, tell.
Sir, what we can do is instead of with the roots, we can just keep 2 power x into 1 by 2 plus 3 power x into 1 by 2 is equal to 13 power x by 4. So with this, we can understand if we keep x is equal to 4, then we can cancel out the 1 with 13, and maybe we can try it out with that.
Acha, root 2 to the power, what you are saying, root to the power x, then
Power x into 1 by 2. No, sir, 2 power x into 1 by 2.
2 to the power
We
x.
just take the root into 1 by 2.
X into 1 by 2 you are saying.
Sir, 2 power x into 1 by
2 to the power x or root 2 to the power x?
2. 2 to the power x, sir.
Acha. 1 minute.
So when we remove the root, we can
Okay,
do the same with 13, sir.
Okay, okay. 2 to the power x
X
into
into
1.
1 by 2.
Okay, very good. Because why we have did 1 by 2? Because if root 2, if you remove children, no, 1 by 2 will come. Okay, that's why he's applying the brain like that. And here again 3 to the power x into 1 by 2,
X
right?
into 1 by 2, sir. Answer 13 to the
And-
power x by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to x
And
by
here
4.
we can write 13 to the power x by 2 into 1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after this, what to do?
And sir, after we figure out it's x by 4, if we can try out trial and error method, we can start off with 4 itself.
Acha, trial and
Then
error
we
method
can
should check,
come down.
right? Trial and error method you should check, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So trial and error does not work in real examinations in paper pen tests.
Yeah. Paper pen test, yeah, really will not work, but sometimes you should do. Suppose you are having cubic polynomial, no, me cubic polynomial. In cubic polynomial, what happens? We have to use trial and error method. This one in cubic polynomial. Suppose 1 is given to you, so you should divide. Then we should do 1 to find the cubic. Suppose this is given like that. So here you should use trial and error method. 1 you should find by trial error method only. Okay, cubic polynomial. Then only you can find other things. So sometimes you have to use anyway. If I get any other this thing, no, any other solution to do this, I'll just tell you, Nihar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, what other way can we do? Root 2 to the power x and 13. So what we should think is here should come 9 and 4. 13 should come 9 and 4. So we should think in the other ways how to become 13 over here. So this become 9, this become 4. In that way, it's something you can think, then suddenly you can strike that one and you can do. Then if 13 and 9 will come, then what we can do for this? Root 2 to the, how it becomes 13 will come. So root 2 to the power, how this become 2? 4 you should write, no? The root 2 to the power 4 x only if you write, then only. Okay, same answer if you got, then we can do that. Now next, children, so many have off the camera. Nihar, Vivek, Shriyanvi, what happened? Sai Charan, you off the camera. If I won't say anything means you will off the camera, right? Sai Charan. Nihar. Okay, next question. Next question is this is easy. You have done, I think, before you have done this question. 21st you have done. Hey, where it went? This question you have done, no? Children, all of you have done this question. Acha, Priyanshu is same thing is telling, huh? What Priyanshu has mentioned? 4, I think not confirm. That's it. Priyanshu, why you are not confirm? If answer is correct.
Because I have not completely understand this question.
Now you understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sai Charan. If you're not on the camera, I'll remove from the meeting, remember. I've excused for a lot of days. I have excused you because you are out of station, right? So you got the answer, Nihar?
So doing it, sir.
Sir, is it option D? Why, Vivek? Is it option C? Why your question mark you are putting, Vivek?
No, sir, I'm not confirmed with my answer. I think it is 0.
You have solved this? Did you have solved?
In one step, I'm getting confusion, sir. In the
No, how you get,
uh,
how are getting the answer that I'm asking you? How are you getting the answer?
so like a transfer, I mean, shifted the how to say, sir? Not getting how to say.
Acha, okay. So fine here. LCM is a square minus BC. BC is like LCM method you are trying, Nihar?
Yes, sir. That only I'm trying, sir.
Mohit, that is the only method, no?
Yes, sir.
That is LCM is a square minus BC, then B square minus CA, then C square minus AB. So again, we have to do here multiplication form only. B square minus CA and multiply by C square minus AB. Again, we have to do plus A square minus BC into C square minus AB. Vivek, you have done the same way or different way?
Completely different. Sir.
Now again, you have to multiply all these things, all these things, all these things. Then you'll get something and all, right? So B square C square will come. So long method will come this one. B square C square minus AB to the power 3, then minus AC to the power 3 plus A square BC, again plus A square B square minus A to the power 3B minus BC to the power 3 plus A square B square minus A to the power 3C, and then again plus A square B square and minus A to the power 3C, correct? And divide by whatever this, keep it as it is. Anything is cancelling over here? So B square C square is here. Anything B square C square is there? Nowhere, right? So right here B square C square as AB to the power 3. A B to the power 3. Anywhere is there? A B to the power 3. A B to the power 3. A C to the power 3. A square B square minus A to the power 3C plus how we have done this is plus BS cubes. How this A square B square has come? A square B square has come no already, and A to the power 3C. So this will be coming twice. It's repeating here, right? I should write here minus B to the power 3C and plus ABC square. What is matching over here? Then A B to the power 3 is there, B to the power 3, B to the power 3, B to the power 3. Nowhere, it's not B to the power 3. Then what will come? Any other method? How you find the way? How this Vivek has find the answer? Vivek, what you have done? Send me on.
Like I made it. Okay, sir. It is.
Where you are sending down?
Sir, where should I say?
You are sending somewhere. Send what you have done.
Okay, sir. Sir, in chat box, can I?
Is it possible to send in chat box?
So how did you actually get that?
Which one?
In the first bit only, why did you multiply?
Sir,
B
I think,
square
sir, we have to
minus
do in
CA?
same way, sir, that you are doing.
What, Hania? Why you have multiplying? You are saying.
Yeah. I didn't get that point. Yes.
Because see, I have taken LCM. No, honey, I have taken LCM over here.
Okay, yeah, I got
So in the LCM part, if here this is matching, this both is matching, so you should multiply this both with 1, no?
it. Yes, sir, got it.
Hmm. So once again, I'll match B square, C square, nothing. We should take common, I think. I believe we should take common. We should, something will get cancelled over here. Vivek, you are sending?
Yes, sir.
Sent.
Sir, did you take the value of AC plus BC plus CA as 0?
We are not getting no anywhere. AB plus BC plus CA right now. We are not getting that value. If you get the value, then only you can do that, right?
I think so. We have to do common only, sir. By common.
Hmm.
We have to
So
take
you can
common.
square it up, right? AB plus BC.
If you're squaring, what do we get on squaring?
You'll get 0 only, right? 0 or 1.
Means whole square. You are trying to say this whole square
Yeah,
should be.
Yeah,
So if you do whole square, what do you get? A square, B square
0 only, right?
plus B square, C square plus C square, A square. Then what you will get, that value will become 0 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So first we should expand this. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB. 2AB means AB square C, 2AB square C plus 2 C is 2 A B C square plus CA 2 A square BC is equals to 0, right? This only you're saying? Hania, like this only you're saying, no?
Yes, sir.
So we have to use all these things instead of all this part. What we are getting, this whole part. This whole part is should be equal to 0. It means B square C square is there. A square B square is there somewhere. A square B square. Then next, anything else? C square A square is not there anywhere, right? A B square C, A B square C, and only A B square C is there. One more we should get.
Sir,
Say.
sir, I've sent it in the WhatsApp.
Why is that you have sent?
Yeah, sir, in discussion.
Okay, fine. We'll check.
I did the LCM method also, sir, afterwards.
LCM method also you are done.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Okay, we are a B square C square. Let us discuss A square B square is there. That I was matching. B C square C square, and C square A square is not there anywhere. C square A square should also be there, no? In second part. We have done mistake or what? Here we have done mistake. A square B square I have written here. So many mistake is there. 4 part here, 4 part here. See, we expanded only wrong. 1 minute, children. I'll just do once again here. This one, this part we have. It should come in 12
Only
parts.
20 minutes left, sir. All time is gone, sir. In this question.
All time is gone. Where?
Sir, in this question, sir, only 20 minutes left.
Okay. So see, this first I'm multiplying this and 4 parts should come. So B square C square, then minus AB to the power 3, then minus AC to the power 3, again plus A square BC. 4 parts we got for first one. Now next one. Next sum I'm just putting black pen. So plus A square C square minus A to the power 3B minus BC to the power 3. And then plus A B square C, correct? Now third pen I'm just taking over here. That is now A square B square minus A to the power 3C minus B to the power 3C plus A B square C, correct? So now just matching here. B square C square is here. A square B square is here. Again C square A square is here. 2AB square C. B square C. This here. AB square C, AB square. 2B square C has come. Then 2ABC square. ABC square C is here. ABC square, that is not there. A square BC is there. A square BC. So this part is matching. Till here is there 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are matching over here. 2, 3. Till here is matching. Till here is matching. This part 2ABC square and ABC and 2A square BC. This is not coming. 1 minute, children. I'll tell you. Actually, he told me to send the wise up. No, he sent in the wise up. 1 minute. I'll check to
Yes.
the wise up. Let me check what
Sir,
you have
nothing is there, sir, and vice versa.
done. Nothing is there.
No, sir.
You've checked already.
Sir, nothing is there, sir.
On wise up, where you sent? In class 9th only, no?
Yes, sir. In discussions, I added and I send a picture, sir.
I don't think here 10 days before only discussion happened. Right now, nothing is there.
Yes, sir. Sir, notification will get, sir, if sir, something will be added. Nothing discussion is there, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. How this one is coming? 2ABC square. Nihar, you are getting anything?
Sir, I'm not getting actually, but then I'm trying this, sir.
Sir, I'm not trying only, sir. I will try only.
Try. One thing we can do here. See, if here A square minus BC is coming, instead of BC, can we write 1 minute? Instead of BC, can we write here AC minus AB like that? Suppose here instead of BC, here is there BC, right? So minus BC they're asking here, minus BC. So this one you send this side. Suppose I sent minus BC to this side. Here we can get AB plus CA, correct? So instead of B minus BC, can we write AB plus CA? See, instead of suppose 1 divided by A square minus BC is there, right? So this can be write like 1 by A square plus AB plus CA. Can we write like this? And from here, what we can do?
How, sir?
See, minus BC, this BC we has there. No, we have sent to the left right hand side. Wait, I'll just do by some different method. So I'm erasing everything. 1 minute.
Sir, why did you write AB square C?
AB square C.
Yeah.
I've written this formula. No, see, if you take
Oh,
the
it's down. Oh, yeah.
yeah, 2A A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA you should do, right? Okay, now see, I'm just solving by other method now. See, one method is like here I got, here is minus BC. So minus BC can be written as children. Minus BC can be written as AB plus CA. Tell me all of you. Can we write like this or not? Again, minus CA can be written as AB plus BC. You are getting or not? Just tell me. And minus AB can be written as BC.
No,
plus
sir.
Okay, now I'm just telling you, if you're not understanding, I'm writing over here. See, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0 is given the question, correct? This is given in the question, Nihar.
Yes, sir.
If I send BC this side, this become minus BC, and this, like, can I write AB plus CA only to the left hand side? Can I write
Yes,
like this
sir.
or not?
Yes.
Now, Priyanshu, you understood now or not? Priyanshu.
Sir, I've understood, sir.
Okay, I'm erasing part now. Now, what we try to do now, we'll just make this BC, CA and AB. We put these values only. Now 1 by A square plus AB plus CA I'm writing over here. Again plus 1 divided by B square plus AB plus BC. Can you write like this? Again 1 divided by C square plus BC plus CA. Is it clear to everyone? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you take common A from here, the 1 divided by what I can write here, A square as it is, you write, and plus A you take common in bracket, what will come? B plus C. Again 1 divided by B square plus here B is common, A plus C you can write, and again plus 1 divided by C square as it is, C common, A plus B. This we can write, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, instead of that, we can take for 1 by A square plus AB plus, into A into B plus C. We can take A common, right?
A common. Then
Huh.
if you take A common, A, yeah, correct. That is the most easy way. Means what you are saying, that is more easy way. Yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
That is the most easy way. Very good. So actually I have taken one more step, but here only we can do A plus B plus C, and here we can take B. So B plus A plus C, and here we can take C, the C plus B plus A. So here everywhere you see, this is common everywhere, correct children? This is common. Now answer came. Now answer is very easy. Huh. So here LCM, what we can take children over here?
It is boring, sir. Very solutions you have to do.
Boring. If you try, it doesn't boring. If you search the answer, then it become boring.
Sir, it is very boring, sir.
Very, very,
Sir,
very.
it's A
Huh?
plus B plus C into A plus
See, this
C,
everything.
right? AB is
See, ABC is common in all three, right? That's why I've taken LCM as it is. And next I've taken ABC. Now A and A is matching. So what is pending over here? BC.
So you need to add.
Yeah, I'm adding here now. BC plus AC plus AB. Is it clear or not? Now this is answer already we have, that is 0. 0 divided by anything is what? 0 only. Is it clear or not? Which step you are having doubt now? Tell me.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah, boring. Priyanshu. Where if you not understand means boring. If you understand means interesting.
Sir, why are you multiplying ABC into A plus B plus C? I
Okay.
didn't understand.
Which one? This one you are saying. This one.
Yes, sir.
See, Hania, what happens now? What is coming in denominator part? Everything should take common, right? Everything should come over there. Everything. What is this? Everything is same only. That's why written as it is once. And A, B, C will be what? Separate. So ABC should come over here. No. What is the LCM of this?
Yes, sir. I thought it was one single unit.
No. ABC from all the three we have taken. And that way you have done. Priyanshu, if you understood, you are interesting. If you're not getting means not understood. Simple. You are getting it or not? Tell me, Priyanshu. Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
Very boring, no? So what do you want? You want party? Priyanshu?
Sir, what, sir? This, sir, we have to do, sir, many solutions, sir. Then we will get the answer.
Thinking part is there only. If I just solve and simply gave it to you, so I can do in one step only. Before only I solved all the things, then I come to the class, simply I go teaching and going. That's it. See how I'm doing in that way. So children, how children will think and how I am thinking. The same difference. See that first method, what I have done, that what everyone can do, what everyone can think. If I remember, mug up all the questions and come to the class, simply see how to do, you'll do and go off, right? So in that way, you should think. Correct? No, Nihar? It's clear how to do.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So
Here,
that's why these IMO questions are good, sir. They increase the thinking skills. And all.
yeah, few questions are good. Not means most of the questions are good actually. Here I'm not seeing anybody, children. Only Priyanshu and Hania I can see over here. Not a single student. So simply just switch off your cameras and just. Now Sai Ritvik full dull. From starting he was telling something, but now full dull. Satvik, Sai Ritvik, what happened to you?
No, sir, I was not understanding the question, so I didn't have anything to say.
Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. Priyanshu, sir, full boring, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, questions will be boring only if we not get the answer. If you get the answer, no. Have full night you can solve the questions. Correct.
Yes.
So do question 20 seconds sum. All the best, Priyanshu. Do this question fast. See this question. Kind of different question. This. Mind को click होना चाहिए कुछ, Priyanshu. Some click होना चाहिए. If halwa question will come, no use of it. The value of x, if 5 to the power x minus 3, 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equals to 2 to 5 is what? Value of x. See here again, same thing you can do, right, children? But more this you can solve also. This is very easy question, like halwa only. This is easy question, right, Hania? How to proceed? Tell me, Priyanshu, how to think this question?
So can I?
Yeah, tell.
So 15 square is 225, and since I give 5 power x minus 3 into 3 power 2x minus 8, can we just do 15 power and multiply add the bases?
Add the basis or what you're saying?
Multiply the bases, sir.
Here powers are not equal now. If powers are not equal, you can't do that, right?
Yes.
See, formula is like a to the.
Sir, I think, sir, we have to do common, sir, like, sir, 5x by 5 power 3 into, sir, we can do, sir, like that.
So you have to multiply it so we can add it, right? 5x plus 2x or like that.
Which one you can add? You are saying. See, question is like 5 to the power x minus
Sir,
3.
I think, sir, we have to do, sir, like, sir, we have to do common, sir, 5x by 5 power 3 into 3 2x by 3 power 8.
So you
equal
can
to
add
220.
5 into 3, 15, and then add 2x, multiply 5 into 3, and then 2x plus x, and then 8 plus.
You are saying that you have to multiply this 5 and 3, Hania, right?
Yes, sir.
See, when we can multiply that, I'm telling you. If a to the power x is there, multiply b to the power x. If both powers are same, then we can multiply ab to the power x, we can write. Otherwise, we can't multiply. Okay. If powers are same, then only we can multiply this. So this method is.
Sir, can I tell?
1 minute, Priyanshu, 1 minute.
Can we equate them then?
We have to equate only. Is equal to means equation equate only.
No, sir. What I'm saying is x minus 3 equals to 2x minus 8.
How you can equate? If base are equal, then only you can just. If powers are equal, then only you can do
Yes,
that.
sir. Because I thought if we can make the prove that these two are equal, then we can multiply the bases.
How these both are equal? This both are equal. You're saying this both.
Yes, sir. If we can equate them to x.
How we can do like x minus 3 is equals to 2x minus 8 you should do.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know.
Sir, we cannot do that actually.
No, we cannot do this. Huh, Priyanshu, what you're telling? Now you tell. Priyanshu, tell now.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, we can do, sir, like, sir, first, sir, we have to do common, sir. 5x by 5 power 3.
Actually, you're telling in this way 5 to the power x by 5 to the power 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Multiply 3 to the power 2x by 3 to the power 8.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. 3 to the power 8. Yes.
2 to 5 like this.
Yes, sir.
This become very long method actually. And then after what I should do 5 to the power x into 3 to the power 2x is equals to 2 to 5 into 5 to the power 3 into 3 to the power like this.
Yes,
You are
sir. We have
saying?
to do, sir, another side, sir.
Baapre. Okay, this become very
Sir,
long. You
can we simplify 225 into 15
Yeah.
square and then do that?
Yeah, that is the better option, I think. 225 we can convert into 5 and 3 form. See what children, what we can do. This better option is, anyone got the answer like this? We can do 3 7s are 21, 5s are 15, 3s are to
Sir,
3.
answer will be, sir, option D, sir.
Achha, answer also you got. Super fast. Awesome. Priyanshu.
Sir, I've understood this question, sir, but I have not understood the previous question, sir. So I didn't do only.
Now see here what we can do, children. 5 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. Can we write like this, children? Now this is very easy. Now 5 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
whatever it is, the same thing should be here also. So x minus 3 equal to 2. X is equals to 5 we get.
Is also easy, sir.
And see here 2x minus 8 is equals to 2. The 2x is equal to 10. The x is equal to what? 5. One line answer. This is one line answer. See. Priyanshu, what you are telling that was also correct only, but that will take long time.
Sir, this is a very short trick, sir. 1 minute.
Very short trick.
I will write this, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand why did we do 5 square, 3 square equals to.
See 225. I have taken the LCM like this. See. So you can't write 3 to the power. How many? 2, 3.
Oh, understood, sir. Because the base are same, it's 15 square.
Hey, base are not same.
I mean, powers are same, sir. Sorry.
Not powers also. Here 225 we can be written as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5.
Yes,
So
sir.
3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2. So the
Understood,
same thing
sir.
I've written here.
Yes, sir.
So anyone having doubt in this? No.
No, sir.
Next. This
Sir,
question
only
was,
2 minutes left.
hey, why you are counting the time only all the time, Priyanshu?
Sir, I'm just reminding, sir. I'm not counting that time.
Reminding. When you should remind, you know. Priyanshu,
Yes, sir.
when you should remind, time is getting over. You know, if I teaching more than the time, then you can remind, sir, I'm going now.
Oh, okay, sir.
Time only not given, sir. Time is only 2 minutes, sir. From starting, like you are invigilating the class. Like exam, children, teachers are telling no. Children's half an hour over, 15 minutes left, only 5 minutes to go. Priyanshu. Okay, now do this question. This question is also easy. Nihar is not there. No sound only. Nihar,
Sir, I'm there, sir.
you are talking with someone.
No, sir.
Okay. Shriyanvi. Shriyanvi, can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yes, sir.
What you are
Hello?
doing? No answers. What you have solved the question? 22nd one. Did you solve?
Yes, sir.
Till 23rd answer. 23rd question you do. 23rd
Yeah,
one.
that's what I'm doing.
Yeah. Mohit, you got the answer 22nd one before only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By same method, what I've done here.
Oh, yes, sir. The same method.
Okay, now how to start question number 23rd? Nishant, on your camera. How many times left, Priyanshu? How many minutes left still?
Sir, now sir, time is over. Only, sir.
Hmm.
No,
You're fe- you are feeling hungry?
no, sir.
If you're
Sir,
feeling
I'm
it,
getting B. Sir, I'm getting option B.
option B, okay. So you have done in this way, 2 to the power n plus 4 minus 2 to the power n plus 1. Like this you have written?
Yes, sir.
Because it's multiplication, no? The 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
n.
Yes, sir. That only I've written. Yes, sir.
So now here 2 to the
And sir,
power,
in that below 2 to the power n plus 4, they both get cancelled, so it's minus 2.
which will get cancelled? This will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Very nice trick, Nihar.
Yes, sir.
2 minus 5 by 2. What is the answer for this? Minus 5. 2 cancel. Mugito. Like this you should do.
But then I'm not getting the answer, sir.
Can we do like this? Tell me. 2 minus 5 by 2. 2 to cancel. Minus 5 is the answer. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Next, what to do then?
Sir, I'm getting it as 2 power n plus 1, not minus 2.
Acha. 2 to the power. There is no option, no, as such. There is no option.
Yes,
as such.
sir, that's what.
अरे यार कहाँ जा रहा है ये? One minute. हाँ. So what we can take common from numerator, Nihar? Tell me. We can take common 2 to the
Sir,
power.
yes, sir. Even I'm doing that. Even I'm doing. Even I'm taking 2n common.
Yeah, 2 to the power n plus 1 common you can take, no?
Yes, sir. That you can take.
So this is 2 to the power 3 and minus 2 to the power 0. Nothing is there. You can write 1, right?
Sir, 7 by 8, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
sir,
we
I
can
have
write
to take common after that step.
2 to the power n plus 1. Here also you can take common, and here you can write 2 to the power 3. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this whole part will get cancelled. This whole part get cancelled. So answer is 7 divided by 8. So this is sakkat easy, super easy question. So like
Sir,
easy
you have to use our concepts.
concept. So Nihar, how Nihar can do mistake? This one mistake. This get cancelled. So answer is this one. And option is also given here. Option is also given.
So, once could you scroll it up?
Yeah, 1 minute. Enough? Or previous question you want?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, children, we'll close the meeting here itself. From next class,
Yes, sir.
we'll try to do questions of FITG. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, children. You can leave for the day.
Thank you,
all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, 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 children.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hey, Priyanshu, you're getting late, no, man?
Yes, sir. I'm leaving.
Yeah, fine. Okay.